It is about 6 days before Ramadan. Master your mind and productivity now. 6 days left before Ramadan. We've covered spiritual growth, charity, mental health, and critical thinking preparedness. But now, let's talk about something deeper. How to train your mind, master your emotions, and prepare your work-life balance for the most productive and spiritually fulfilling Ramadan yet. Let's dive in. 1. Deep critical and psychological preparedness. Controlling negative emotions. Fasting isn't just about hunger, it's about self-control. So how do you manage anger, frustration, or stress when hunger kicks in? Breathe. Deep breaths. Mindful dhikr to reset your emotions. Avoid reactionary behavior. Silence is power when you're tested. Make it a habit. Whenever you feel anger rising, say, A'udhu billahi min ash-shaytanir rajim. Strengthening willpower and self-discipline. Ramadan tests your willpower. But here's a trick. Train your mind in advance. Avoid unnecessary arguments now, so it becomes second nature. Start delaying gratification. Reduce sugar, social media, and unnecessary snacking before Ramadan. Try a dopamine detox. Less distractions, more focus. Enhancing focus and mental clarity. Ramadan isn't just physical, it's mental. To sharpen your focus. Reduce screen time. Now, so your mind isn't foggy during fasting. Read about patience and gratitude. Train your mind to appreciate the moment. Limit excessive entertainment so your soul finds joy in worship. Building emotional intelligence. Fasting affects emotions. Prepare yourself by observing your reactions. How do you respond to pressure? Practicing self-awareness. Learn when to walk away instead of arguing. Understanding that hunger affects mood, so manage emotions wisely. 2. Work and productivity. Preparations for Ramadan. Prioritizing tasks for efficiency. Ramadan is for worship, not work stress. So, how do you lighten the load? Batch your work now. Schedule emails, automate tasks, and plan ahead. Cut down non-essential meetings to free up Ibadah time. Delegate where possible, so you're not overwhelmed during fasting. Adjusting work and sleep routines. Ramadan changes your sleep cycle. Get used to it now. Start sleeping earlier or practicing short naps for energy balance. Sync your body clock with suhoor and tarawih schedules in advance. Use power naps wisely. 20-minute naps can save you from burnout. Meal and energy management at work. You can't afford energy crashes while working. Here's the game plan. Eat light, energy-sustaining suhoor meals instead of heavy ones. Reduce caffeine now, so you don't suffer withdrawal headaches. Hydrate well. Start training your body to retain water effectively. Avoiding burnout and maximizing barakah time. Your best energy is in the morning. Use it wisely. Tackle the hardest tasks early in the day when you're fresh. Use short dhikr breaks between work to recharge spiritually. Cut down distractions. Every minute saved is more time for Quran. Ramadan is not just about fasting. It's about mastering your mind, controlling your time, and balancing life with Ibadah. 6 days left. Let's prepare wisely. Are you ready? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and follow for more Ramadan prep tips. Tag someone who needs this. Drop a like if this helped you.